Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make funnel cake, so let's get started. This recipe makes about 8 funnel cakes, so if you want less, you can half this recipe. So in a medium bowl, add in the eggs and lightly beat them using a whisk. Then add in the milk and the vanilla extract and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Add about ½ inch of oil into a large pan. Add a candy thermometer and heat it until the oil gets up to 375 degrees. Traditionally, you would use a funnel to add the batter to the oil, but I like to use a batter dispenser because it's much easier. Once the oil's up to temperature, drizzle the batter in circles all over in the oil. And let it fry for about 45 seconds to a minute or until it turns a light golden brown color. And then flip it over. I'm using a spatula and a wooden spoon to flip it. And let it fry for another 45 seconds to a minute. Once it's done, remove it from the oil and place it onto a paper towel lined plate. And then repeat the whole process again until you've used up all the batter. And then finish them off by dusting some powdered sugar over the top. And that's how to make funnel cake. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.